Hey, good foggy, frosty morning to you folks. Clint from Pik Rite here. Want to go over this cute little truck we just finished up. Ford F600. A real nice truck. 1,100 gallon of waste, 300 gallon of fresh water in the tank. So real good setup there. NVE B500 blower. We're hydraulic driving that, the oil tank behind the cab. Tool tray rear bumper, 4-inch discharge, 3-inch intake, sight tube. Check this truck out. Customers having trouble getting CDL drivers. His state, he's able to run more than 1,000 gallon, non-CDL. Put this together for him. Just a real nice truck. Sitting the way it is, 11.4 was across the scale. So do the math, work backwards from there. But Ford F600 turned out to be a pretty nice truck. Any questions, give us a call. Have a great day.